Have you ever had an ingrown toenail or know someone who does? Did you know you can treat ingrown nails at home? Today we will learn 3 homemade treatments for your toenails. There are various causes of an ingrown toenail, and the primary one is cutting your nails wrong, which encourages abnormal growth and makes it grow under the skin, causing discomfort. Additional causes for ingrown toenails include hurting your feet, and some accidents like hitting your toes on something, which can disfigure the toenail and make it grow inside the skin. Wearing small or tight shoes. Making your toes get crowded, causing the nails into the skin. Having small toes. In some people, the nail grows more than the size of their toes, making it develop under the skin. Also, ingrown toenails are more common in individuals with a malformation on nails or feet. In these cases, it is essential to be more careful when cutting the nails. Now let's see some natural treatments that you can use to support your feet by soaking in hot water when you suffer from ingrown nails. Soak your feet with hot water a few times a day can help alleviate the swelling pain. Fill a small basin with warm water, soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes, and repeat it 3 to 4 times a day to get some comfort. Epsom salt. Epsom salt, scientifically known as magnesium sulfate, is efficient in treating ingrown nails. It softens the skin around the ingrown nail, facilitating its discarding, and it also decreases inflammation. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt to a basin with warm water. Soak your feet in the solution for 20 minutes. Remove your feet from the water and dry them well. Repeat it 3 to 4 times a week. Turmeric. You can also use turmeric to eradicate the discomforts of ingrown nails like pain, swelling, and inflammation. Curcumin is a turmeric compound that has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic activities. Make a paste using half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and some mustard oil. Rub the paste over the impacted toe and cover it with a dressing. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day for several days. You can also boil 1 spoon of turmeric in a glass of milk and drink it twice a day to relieve pain and accelerate the healing process. To get results with these treatments, you need to cut and file your nails in a square shape. If the infection persists, seek the help of a health specialist, a podiatrist, dermatologist, orthopedist, or general practitioner who can help you. But how do we cut our nails correctly? To avoid ingrown nails, the nails should be in a straight line. Avoid cutting the sides as they guide growth direction, and can develop under the skin of the cut. Avoid cutting your nails too short as it increases the risk of your nail folding and penetrating the toe.